Healing emotionally is not about erasing pain, but it's about learning to grow from it. It's okay to feel broken, to acknowledge the hurt you carry, because it means you're alive, you're loved, and you're cared. But remember, every scar is a testament to your strength, not your failure. Give yourself permission to rest, to reflect, and rebuild at your own pace. The process isn't linear, and that's okay. Some days will be harder than others, but each step forward, no matter how small, is progress. You aren't defined by your pain. Trust in your ability to rise again, and know that you're worthy of the peace and happiness you're working towards.